Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A2x and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all you need to enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings and now select password and security. Here select fingerprint and tap on I agree. Click on continue to set your screen lock pattern at first. Obviously you can also choose numeric password, alphanumeric or mentioned pattern. I think pattern is like more comfortable for me. Then tap on continue and now it's time to enter the pattern or pin code, whatever you chosen, and then re-enter it for the second time just to confirm. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is your power button, so just tap over here and do it till it's fully done. So you'll be able to see the progress on the screen. You just have to lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on done. And as you can see from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or let me just tap with a different finger, or you can use the pattern or pin code that you set. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.